I got a new lipstick from Stila. I showed you guys in my Ulta makeup haul. I don't know if you watched it. This is the Stay All Day Matte Lip Color. Other ones that I've tried have been liquid lipsticks. This one is in the shade Sunkissed. I was going to buy more than one, but I first wanted to see how it worked. I hope this is a nice shade. How cute this packaging is. Let me know if you like Stila lipsticks. I love their liquid lipsticks. So this retails for $22. I think you have like around 12 shades. Sunkissed is described as a neutral mauve. It's been a while since I buy anything from Stila. So for this, it says Stila Stay All Day Matte Lip Color is one stroke, long wearing, velvety matte lipstick with unexpected color impact on application. Weightless, comfortable, extremely buttery and creamy lipstick. A velvet finish. Waterproof, transfer-proof, mask-proof, and vegan. Open it up. Ooh. Oh, I was hoping it smelled like the liquid lipsticks. I just love it. This looks like a beautiful shade. It looks like a cool tone. Let me go ahead and swatch this. There's nothing like a buttery, creamy matte, you know? Usually like these are what I get more use out of. Wow, that is so pretty. Do you like this color? I want to pick up some more for sure. It doesn't feel as moisturizing as, like, let's say the Rare Beauty that I just reviewed as well. Those are also matte. It doesn't feel sticky, so if you're like, oh, I don't want any stickiness, this doesn't feel sticky. Feels nice. I actually really like this formula. I can see, like, if your lips are dry, maybe you're not gonna like the sensation if you like that buttery, but I don't see how they say that it feels extremely buttery and creamy. I don't see that, the truth. Like, this is not, I don't feel it buttery and creamy. I think it's because it's supposed to be waterproof, transfer proof. I can see that, like, you would need this kind of formula for that to work. I think it already dried, and yeah, nothing is transferring. Leave it in the description if you want to see, but beautiful product. If I go like this, it does come off a little. I feel like you have nothing on the lips, and again, it smells delicious. I'm also gonna try to remove it just like with a regular paper here and try to see. Some is coming off. I really have to do this applying a lot of pressure, but it's really gonna end up like hurting my lips. I'm gonna try to use a makeup wipe. I'm gonna end up hurting my lips. Okay, now it's coming off. But you also have to keep that in mind. How easy is it gonna be to come off? I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.